This is Manley Man, Handyman. It's a narrative game with extreme carpentry. So the story is about a manly man who maybe have had an sort of an unsavory past, but he's trying to return back to his old neighborhood that he grew up in, build back his reputation as well as build up his community by helping his neighbors by building things. So it's an early playtest demo right now. We're looking to get the playtest demo on Steam this summer, toward the end of the summer. People can't wishlist it yet because the page isn't quite up yet.
Okay.
But soon, the next couple of weeks, it should be ready.
How big's your team?
4 people.
4 people? And
Yeah.
what engine are you using?
Godot game engine.
Yeah. I want to show you the mechanic. Signature here. Ah, neat. Okay. Super happy. Cool. We're going to build our agent. Building straight here. Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Are you getting like a big collection?